Watch this video only if you're ready to dive into the secret sauce of running a successful faceless YouTube channel. I'm about to show you how to join the big leagues with a faceless channel that's already rocking over 1 million subscribers and a whopping 147 million views. And guess what? It's all about health and fitness, a goldmine niche on YouTube. Now, let's talk numbers. Health and fitness videos can earn between $2.5 to $7 per thousand views, but let's play it cool and say it's $5. This channel, over 7 years, has gathered around 147 million views. So let's do a quick math crunch. Divide those views by 1,000, multiply by 5, and divide by 7. Boom! That's over 100K per year, just from ads. And if they're promoting health and fitness products, let's say even 5% of their viewers end up buying from their link. But why just watch them make bank? Why not you? Time to turn that "why not me" into "watch me go." I'm going to show you how to kickstart your own faceless YouTube channel without spending a dime on cameras or mics. It's CapCut Online, arguably the best free online video editing tool tailored for YouTubers. It's packed with all the features you need for creating perfect YouTube videos. And the best part? It's totally free. CapCut Online is the only AI tool that is incredibly user-friendly, AI-powered, has no watermarks, and is fully equipped with all the video editing features. You can find the link in the description. Sign up for free, and you'll be greeted with this intuitive dashboard. Before I proceed further, here's a quick shout-out. If you'd like to join my Discord community, that's right. I have my own Discord community for AI enthusiasts now. Hop on to the AI Genesis server, where you can surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Let's take a quick peek at one of their videos.
What will happen if bodyweight exercises are lately lead a busy life and find...
Notice anything? No faces, just stock videos, images, subtitles, and slick editing. But here's something you might not know. They didn't record their own voices. Instead, they used voices created by AI. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to whip up a similar video with CapCut Online. First, click on Script to Video. It is a free script-to-video tool powered by ChatGPT-4. Type / to enable the prompt box, where you should type a strong prompt like this one. It's designed to get an attractive and powerful script, and you'll be presented with 5 different script options. Go through each to see which one appeals to you and select the one that fits your vision. Then click Generate Video. And it will automatically create a complete video based on your chosen script. Check out the result.
Hey there, friends. Are you tired of sifting through countless diet journey? Well, I've got some fantastic news for this. Are you ready to say goodbye to your extra weight and hello to a healthier, eat right? First and foremost, life a breeze. Step 2, exercise. Moving your way to a healthier lifestyle doesn't mean you'll have a balanced sweet tooth without the guilt.
It's good, but definitely needs a few tweaks. For that, simply click Edit Video, and you will land on the CapCut Online Video Editor. The previous step was easy and automatic, but this one is the real deal. You have to be attentive because you're about to learn how to use this free, powerful editor, along with the systematic, step-by-step approach to editing a YouTube video. Usually we need to generate a script and voiceover first, before getting to the editing part, but CapCut Online has made our jobs way easier with its AI script to video. Alright, let's head back to the editing window. First off, I want to give you a quick tour of the interface. Right here is our timeline, which is the heart of our editing process. It's organized into layers. For instance, this layer is for captions, this one's for our media, and these two are our audio layers, handling voiceovers and background music. You've also got the ability to zoom in and out on both the preview screen and the timeline, making your editing experience a lot smoother. First things first, we're going to delete the music track to steer clear of any copyright issues. However, feel free to use any of the stock material. It's all fair game. Now let's focus on making the first 5-10 seconds of our video really pop. Head over to the stock videos, search for what you need, pick the perfect clip. And simply drag and drop it over the existing footage to swap it out. Next up, let's trim out those first few words from the voiceover that sound a bit too generic. I'm also going to add a few more clips to this scene to match up with our voiceover content. Remember, you can adjust the length of any element on the timeline just like this. I'm going to replicate these steps for the remainder of our video. After layering in some additional videos and photos, it's time to jazz up our CapCut. Just double-click on them and a widget pops up on the right side, giving you control over pretty much everything. I know it can seem a bit overwhelming at first, so let's break it down. Start by adding your animation, and then split the captions into smaller, more manageable chunks, just like this. Next, pick your favorite font, choose a color, and tweak some of the basic settings. I'm also going to throw in a stroke effect to really make them stand out. And voila, our auto captions just got a major upgrade. Now let's shake things up with some dynamic transitions. Head over to the Transitions tab, find one that catches your eye, and simply click and drag it between clips to add it. Mixing in a few different transitions can really elevate the whole vibe. CapCut Online also got some stellar effects that can take our video to the next level. Find an effect that fits. Then drag and drop it onto the timeline, stretching it to cover the entire clip for a uniform look. I'll sprinkle in a few more effects here and there to spice things up. Alright, let's switch gears to the Filters tab. Now, this video might not need filters, but for demonstration's sake, I'm going to apply this cool Oppenheimer filter. And don't overlook the Elements tab. It's packed with stickers and GIFs that can add a fun twist to your videos. Something I love doing in my own videos. I'm not really feeling this image, so let's head back to the dashboard and click on Create New Image. From there, navigate to the Photos section. CapCut Online offers an AI image generator here, which is pretty neat. Just click on it, enter a prompt like you would with any tool, and hit Generate. You'll find it's on par with many of the paid AI art generators out there in terms of quality. Then, let's return to the editor window and upload the new image. That looks much better. Now let's add some sound effects to our video. Head over to the audio section and click on Sound Effects in the top menu. This is a great feature because it saves you the hassle of scouring the internet for sound effects. Let's pick this popular transition sound effect and place it exactly where the transition occurs. Do this for each transition. I'm going to quickly add a few more sound effects to enhance our video. When everything is set, it's time to wrap up. Just click on Export, then Download. Make sure your resolution is set to 1080p. Give your video a title, and then hit Export again. And there you have it, the final product.
Are you tired of sifting through countless diet tutorials and feeling stuck in your weight loss journey? Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. Today, I present to you Lose 30 Pounds in 30 Days, a natural and simple guide that will help you shed those extra pounds without any hard sacrifices. So, the question is, are you ready to say goodbye to your extra weight and hello to a healthier, happier you? Alright, give it up for the countless people who've already transformed their lives with just 30 days and a few simple steps. Are you up for the challenge? Step 1. Eat right.
Now let's talk about the final step, uploading your video to YouTube. A captivating thumbnail is crucial, and luckily CapCut Online has an extensive library of thumbnail templates. Just navigate back to the dashboard, click on Create New Image, choose YouTube, then Thumbnail, and you'll be presented with a wide array of high-quality thumbnails to choose from, edit, and use. I found one that will do. Click to add to the canvas. Let's customize its text to relate to our video. I need an image that represents weight loss, so I will click on Photos and search for something related to weight loss. I think I will go with this one. Now search for background remover on right side widget and turn it on. Now I will flip the image and thumbnail is ready to download. And there you have it. That was just the tip of an iceberg compared to what CapCut Online can do. I personally use it to create all my videos. And now it's your turn. Link is in the description. You will also find the links to follow me on X and subscribe to my newsletter, because I share a lot of juicy AI stuff there that I don't share on YouTube. And if you want to always be kept up to date with my helpful little tutorials, that subscribe button is looking awfully smackable over there, isn't it? Why not go ahead and give it a little love tap? If you have any questions, comment down below. I'm AI Genesis, and we'll catch you nerds in the next one.